big sector, of course, has been, I think, metals and mining, right? I mean, I was going to talk about IT, but I think metals and mining is first up. Let's go across to Kritika Saxena, who's in conversation with Naveen Jindal, Chairman, JSPL. Listen in.
Sure.
You know, recently we have experienced that coking coal prices have really shot up. They have become more than double. So coking coal constitutes a major price component for steel making for all the integrated steel producers. So that is going to definitely, we will not be able to absorb that. So we have to pass on the rise in coking coal prices. But overall, I feel that prices are going to be stable in the long term.
In the long term, but by when? Can you expect prices to stabilize by the second half of this financial year?
It's all a very dynamic situation, so it's very difficult to comment. So it's dependent primarily on raw material prices. Sometimes iron ore prices move up, sometimes coal prices move up, and then it's a question of demand and supply.
From a regulatory perspective, while the government has tried to enact some measures from an anti-dumping perspective to tighten the regulatory issues, but what more needs to be done from a government perspective in terms of regulatory policies?
I feel that especially for exports, there are so many taxes that make us uncompetitive. Like we are paying highest royalty on coal, highest royalty on iron ore, district mineral fund, clean energy cess, then electricity duty. We pay very high logistics, very high transportation charges. So if you want Indian steel to be competitive globally, then all these taxes, because the other taxes like sales tax or excise duty, that when we are exporting, we do not have to pay. But all these other taxes which we pay, we do not get back. Or the export incentive that we get back is very little. So this needs to be enhanced.
Okay, one last question, very quickly. In terms of the NPA issue, in terms of looking at reducing debt, what is the plan? Are there other assets that you're looking at selling off? If you can quickly give us a breakup.
We have already divested all our non-core assets, and so our accounts are normal. And in the next few months, we want to regularize everything, and things are only getting better.
Okay, no plans to sell the steel business?
No, we are not there. We are in the business of selling steel, not steel business.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay.